Now, there's a guy by the name of Paul O'Sullivan who was a forensic investigator. This guy came to the public, and these are the allegations that he made towards General Mkhwanazi. And now General Mkhwanazi is suing him for 5 million rands. Now, Paul O'Sullivan made false, malicious, and defamatory statements on various media platforms. Now, these are amongst the things that he has said. Number one, he said that General Mkhwanazi is involved in serious organized crime. Number two, he said that General Mkhwanazi misused police funds, including approving large amounts of money for luxury cars. Number three, he said that he was part of a shoot to kill policy. Now, that policy is about shooting suspects even if they are unarmed. And then he also mentioned other serious misconducts. And then number four, he made allegations that Mkhwanazi came overseas with undeclared luxury gifts, and one of the gifts was a Louis Vuitton handbag that he did not declare at custom. Now, General Mkhwanazi is demanding 5 million rands worth of damages and a public retraction and apology. Now, O'Sullivan, when he was asked about these lawsuits, he said what General Mkhwanazi is doing towards him by taking him to court and by suing him 5 million rands, the only thing that General Mkhwanazi is doing is silencing whistleblowers, according to O'Sullivan. So I'm more interested in hearing your thoughts. What do you think? Do you think General Mkhwanazi is suing Paul O'Sullivan just to silence whistleblowers? Or do you think General Mkhwanazi has the right to sue Paul O'Sullivan based on the allegations that he had made?